Ingenico, Canada. With a new software version, a download is always required to your credit card machine. That's when we need your help, as we need someone to physically punch a series of buttons on your terminal to initiate the update. Before initiating the download, you should always remember to close the batch on your terminal, as downloading your device might erase transaction information from your terminal. Here's how to do a download on your device. First, you need to close the batch on your terminal. From the main screen, press 7 for Settle. Enter your merchant password and press the green Enter button. The terminal will display the sale total. Press the green Enter button to confirm. The terminal will display the refund totals. Press the green Enter button to confirm. The terminal will display the net total. Press the green Enter button to confirm. The terminal will prompt Totals Match, Settle Batch. Press F4 for Yes. The terminal will prompt Print Summary Report. Press F4 for Yes. The terminal will dial out and display Batch Close Successful. The terminal will prompt Terminal Details Report. Press F1 for No or F4 for Yes. The batch is now closed, so it's safe to initiate the download. Press 9 for More. Press 4 for Admin. Press 4 for Download. Terminal will prompt Perform Download. Press OK to continue. The terminal will connect to the host. Once complete, the terminal will display Download Successful. Press OK to continue. The terminal will return to the main screen. You're good to go.